Okay, we have three minutes to go before the end of quite the bumpy trading session. This massive rally on Wall Street. It's not bumpy at all, actually. It's just a skyrocket move. We had just hit session highs, up more than 363 points, still about there, up 358 for the Dow. Do you, the investor, jump in right now or on election day tomorrow, or should you hold your fire until results are out? Joining us now, a guy who would know, Art Hogan, Chief Market Strategist at Wunderlich Securities. Hold off or rush in?
You want to hold off. There's way too many combinations of things that could happen that there's no sense in stepping in front of. You know, if I were to step back and say, should we have held off before Brexit, I think that probably would have been the wise thing to do. The same thing can happen here. This election is too close to call. And an election that's too close to call could drag on for a period of time. We could have some contested states, and this could be dragged out for a period of time. I don't think you need to jump in.
We should show people the Dow, the NASDAQ, the S&P, cycle through some of these intraday moves, and it's even cooler if you see the two-day moves.
Right.
Pretty stunning right here. How about profit taking? Forget buying. How about taking something off the table on a 300-plus point gain?
I'm telling you, if you have some profits right now, it's probably a good idea to have some cash in the sidelines for better opportunities. So knowing that there are some good things and bad things in either outcome, the worst outcome can be a contested election, but either outcome's got some negatives to it. So taking some cash off the table. You've had a beautiful day today. We've had a nice run up this year. Half of it happened today. I think that, you know, when that happens to you, there's an opportunity to step to the sidelines a little bit.
Look at the NASDAQ, 122-point gain right this moment with 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes actually to go here. Let's pick some stocks here. On a Donald Trump win, what would you pick?
Anything that has to do with infrastructure. I think infrastructure is going to be what everybody's talking about. So mid-cycle industrials, things that play into that build-out, not walls, but you know, things that we actually need, bridges and road work and all those things. So there's a host of mid-cycle industrial companies that are going to actually do pretty well. And gold.
And same with Hillary. Both have said they do infrastructure plays, but is there something different for a Clinton presidency?
Well, on the Clinton side, understand infrastructure is going to be a winner either way. It's just a function of how we pay for it and where that money comes from. I think that, you know, on the Clinton administration coming through, I think you can still stay away from health care. I mean, health care is going to be the political football for a period of time, and I think that's the one you want to avoid for a period of time in the Clinton victory.
Although United Health is moving higher certainly on the day, so is everything in the Dow. Folks, I need to tell you, we look to appear to close at the highs on a pretty significant market day here. 371-point gain for the Dow. For the NASDAQ, 120. The Russell, the small caps, that has the biggest percentage gain of 2.5%. That's a gain of 28 points. Art, always great to see you. Art Hogan of Wunderlich Securities.